First Alert meteorologist David Ernst here with a weather update. Our high temperatures on this Friday above average by 5 to 8 degrees in most locations, middle to upper 40s through the area. The start to Wisconsin's gun deer hunt, it opens on Saturday morning and it will be mostly cloudy. If you're out there at sunrise, wind chills likely in the 20s with the straight air temperature in the low to mid 30s. Sunrise right at 7 o'clock. Warming through the 30s over the course of the morning with temperatures around 40 degrees by lunchtime. First Alert Pinpoint Predictor will show plenty of cloud cover through the night. You might catch a few areas of thinning clouds at times, but in general, it is going to be a cloudy one. We will start the morning out with some upper 20s across far northern Wisconsin and low to mid 30s elsewhere. That's still 5 to 10 degrees above average for this time of year. So we're looking at lots of cloud cover on Saturday. Wouldn't expect any precipitation. This runner predictor tries to generate a flake or two and maybe something does squeeze out of those clouds. But in general, a dry day. We're looking at plenty of clouds through the day. By the evening, though, we may start to see a few thin spots in those clouds and maybe there is a little bit of late day sunshine in it as well. But those clouds will fill back in for Sunday. High temperatures on Saturday afternoon, upper 30s, lower 40s, and that is right where we typically are for the latter half of November. So a seasonable afternoon. Winds will be a little weaker than they have been of late, generally 10 miles per hour or less with gusts up to 15. That will hold wind chills in the 30s for most of the day. Our next weather maker, it gets into the area on Monday. There will be a mix of rain and snow. We're confident on the timing of when that system arrives on Monday and confident that we will see that precipitation around 1/4 of an inch of liquid equivalent if we have some snowfall, and that'll be your rain total if all you see is rainfall. Now, we've got the American GFS here on the right, European on the left. Both of them keep us dry on Sunday, at least through the day with cloudy skies. And then both of them develop that next weather maker to our west on Monday morning with precipitation overspreading the area. Now, the American model, the GFS, brings in the colder air faster and farther south, so it switches things over to snow a whole lot quicker and moves that snow a whole lot farther south than its European counterpart. I am leaning my forecast towards the Euro, thinking we see 2-3 inches of snow across the North Woods, and then mostly rain around the Fox Valley and towards the Lake Michigan shoreline. But be sure to check back for updates on that forecast. Regardless, it will turn cooler as we head towards Thanksgiving.
The First Alert Weather app, keeping you ahead of the storm.